Okay, raise your hand if you actually finished the course that you started this year. I did. This will be the first time that I'll write something on my New Year resolution and I'll complete it. Can you boast about it? Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content, and my name is Naomi Salami. And if you're new to this page, please don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can be getting updates like this one that I'm about to drop now. So if you're new to content writing, or you just want to improve on that content writing skill, here are 5 courses that you can get on Udemy to help improve your content writing skill. So I had to go to my notes to get courses that I bookmarked for myself. So what you guys are getting are like my personal course bookmarks. So number 1 course would be Content Writing Mastery, Content Writing for Beginners. Now, this course was done by Mike Dixon and Ken Wells. It has 49 lectures and you get a certificate of completion. So the second course that would be useful for you, if you're saying, oh, let me wait till 2025 before I start this course, it's up to you, but I would advise that you start now. So the second course on this list is the Content Writing course by Paul Jenkins. Now this course, again, you're also going to get another certificate of completion. It has 66 lectures, and according to Udemy, it is a bestseller. And it's very expensive. I don't want to mention the price, but it's expensive. But it's a good course. So the third course is Basic to Advanced Content Writing. Become a Content Writer. Now this course, it's under Endless Learn courses. 34 lectures. See, it's not as much as the other ones. And you also get a certificate of completion. So the fourth course, especially for those that say, I want to join this freelance thing, I want to start writing, freelancing all around, this fourth course is for you. Freelance Writing 101, Start Your Successful Writing Career by Brad Merrill. Again, you're going to get another certificate of completion if you decide to add this to your list for 2025. It has 29 lectures and it's for the beginner level. This course is not as long as the others, but Brad actually tried to make it detailed as possible. So if you want to start this course, this is the time. Now, the 5th course is the Blogging and Content Writing Guide for Beginners by Robin and Jesper. Is it Robin? Is it Jesper? Na collabo. They both put their heads on this one. It's a beginner course and it has 70 lectures. It sounds like a lot. I know it sounds like a lot, but I promise you, if you do one course a day at a time, you are gonna get somewhere. So 70 lectures, you also get a certificate of completion for this course. So there you have it. These are the 5 courses to help you get started on your content writing journey or help you improve your skills. Because as I like to say, I'm not an expert. I don't believe anyone's an expert. We're still learning. I might even decide to pick this 4th Freelance Writing 101 because I want to make freelance money. Yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe because I am going to be dropping updates like this. Content writing, content marketing, content creation. Again, the name of this channel is Anything Content. So you get the gist. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.